Did you know that just one spice can help shrink an enlarged prostate? It's a common concern for many adult men, this issue of an enlarged prostate. But imagine if a simple spice in your kitchen could be the solution. Yes, you heard it right. A single, humble spice might hold the key to alleviate this concern. Intrigued? You should be. This isn't just any spice, but one with a wealth of health benefits. Stay tuned to find out which spice we're talking about. The spice we're talking about is none other than turmeric, a common ingredient in your kitchen. Turmeric, you ask? Yes, indeed. This golden-hued spice, often associated with curries and mustards, holds a secret power that is nothing short of magical. At the heart of turmeric's magic is a compound called curcumin. This substance is what gives turmeric its bright color, but it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Curcumin has been the subject of numerous scientific studies, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. This potent compound has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a boon for those dealing with an enlarged prostate. Inflammation is often a key factor in the growth of the prostate, so anything that can combat this can be beneficial. But curcumin doesn't stop there. It is also known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to protect the body's cells from damage, which can also be a factor in prostate enlargement. By helping to keep cells healthy and functioning properly, curcumin can potentially help to prevent or reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. And the best part? This isn't just speculation. Numerous scientific studies back up these claims, demonstrating the power of turmeric and its active compound, curcumin. But how exactly does curcumin work to shrink the prostate? Let's dive deeper. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, works in a fascinating way to alleviate the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. But how exactly does it do this? Well, it's all about how curcumin interacts with our body on a cellular level. Curcumin has been found to inhibit the growth of prostate cells, essentially putting a stop to the proliferation of these cells that can lead to an enlarged prostate. It does this by modulating certain signaling pathways within these cells, effectively telling them to stop growing. It's quite an ingenious process, and it's all happening right under our noses. But that's not all. Curcumin is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It can reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate. This is crucial because inflammation is often a contributing factor to an enlarged prostate. By reducing inflammation, curcumin can help to alleviate the discomfort and symptoms associated with this condition. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get more of this curcumin into my body? The answer is simple. Incorporate more turmeric into your diet. Turmeric is a spice that's readily available and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. It's a simple and natural way to potentially improve your prostate health. And remember, while turmeric and its active compound, curcumin, can be beneficial, they are not a cure-all. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. We've covered some ground today and learned about the wonders of turmeric. We've discussed the challenge of an enlarged prostate, a problem affecting many men. We explored how the humble turmeric, a common spice, holds the power to alleviate this issue. We dived into the science behind curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, and how it helps in shrinking the prostate. It's fascinating, isn't it? The solution to a significant health concern could be sitting in our kitchen. Remember, a little spice can make a big difference. Thanks for tuning in.